What's the meaning of crucifixion? Crucifixion. Crucifixion.
Crucifixion. Crucifixion. Crucifixion is a form of execution where the person being punished is nailed or tied to a wooden cross and left to hang until they die. The result of crucifixion is excruciating pain, as the weight of the body pulls down on the arms and legs, making it difficult to breathe. Death can take hours or even days, as the person slowly succumbs to asphyxiation, dehydration, shock, or other complications. Crucifixion was a common punishment in ancient times, particularly in the Roman Empire, and was often reserved for the most heinous crimes or rebellious individuals.